Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna cook chicken macaroni soup. But first, let's prepare our ingredients. Cut carrots julienne style. Then crush garlic. You can also use mortar and pestle to crush your garlic. While we are cutting our ingredients, we can boil pasta according to the package instruction. Cut onion into cubes. You can use red or white. When the pasta is al dente, drain it and set aside. For the shredded chicken, separate the meat to the bones, but you can also include the bones because it's make our soup tastier. Also, we need cabbage cut into julienne style. And now that we have our ingredients ready, let's cook. Saute garlic, onion. By the way, for our shredded meat, we use the pressure cooker to make the cooking faster, and we separated the bones to the meat, but you can also include the bones when we do our cooking. It makes our soup tastier. And also, when we separate the shredded meat, just set aside the chicken broth because we're gonna use it as a soup for our chicken macaroni soup. When our garlic and onion is brown, you can add the chicken meat. You can buy chicken broth on the store, but this one is natural. Add salt and pepper. You can also add some chicken powder bouillon. Now we can add our carrots after we put the chicken broth. And then we're gonna cover it and simmer for 5 minutes. And then we can add our cooked pasta macaroni. You can choose the shells or a pasta of your choice. And then add some milk. We can also add some hot dogs if you like. And the last one is the cabbage. We're just gonna cover it for another 5 minutes and then it's ready. Add some fish sauce if you like or salt to taste. You can also add a boiled egg if you like, but boiled egg is optional. And now our chicken macaroni soup is ready. Serve and enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys! Don't forget to